Welcome to another episode for our channel here at Carbon Media. And today, we are now here at Toyota BICUTAN for the launch of the new Toyota Veloz. So let's go check it out. So we are now here inside the dealership of Toyota BICUTAN, and we are now going to check the all-new Toyota Veloz. So let's go! Here it is. Just launched this today. So ayan siya. Looks good already. And I'm starting to like the triangle shape mesh grills. So look at that. Ang laki. Alright, so let's go ahead and start checking the new Toyota Veloz, and let's check out what's inside. So I have now the keys, so let's go. So yeah, no, keyless entry. You just have to press this. Voila, doors open automatically without using the keys. So let's go check out what's inside. Start the engine. Yon, look at that. Same with the Toyota Race, so digital gauge din siya. And of course, the push start for this one. And of course, the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto na infotainment system. So standard na siya ngayon with the Toyota Veloz. And for this one, it's a CVT transmission. And I'll show you something later what this thing do to our cell phones. Check out the steering wheel of the new Toyota Veloz, and of course it has the controls here on the steering. This part controls the gauges, so yung mga choices mo for the gauges, you will control it here. And this is for the infotainment system controls. The steering wheel also has an SRS airbags. And let's check the climate control, the infotainment yan. 9-inch screen siya. And the CVT, I am not sure kung how many speed to, but usually it's 7-speed siya. So we just need to check. And the good thing about the Toyota Veloz as well, ano na siya, electronic parking na siya. And it also has the hold button. So it means when you go on a stop sign, ano siya, you don't need to press the brakes. You just put in park and hold mo siya. Then once you step on the gas, mag-automatic release na siya. And there's something here that I find it interesting. This part daw is a charging port for the newer Android phones or iPhones. So let's go check it out. I have here a Samsung. So check natin yun, no, sakto. So let's just, yun, no, nag-auto charge na agad siya without me pressing this button. Okay, sige, dahil naka-on siguro siya kanina. Let's turn it on. Yan, naka-on siya. Here's my phone. Let's do it again. Yun, no, nag-charge siya. Ayun, no, galing, oh. So you don't need a charging cable for this one, no. So ilalapag mo lang siya dyan. Nandyan na yung phone mo. So there you go. Galing, high-tech, ah. I'm starting to like this car. Also here, and what I find it interesting here is for the map lights, it's already LED compared to the other models ni Toyota, usually ang map lights standard halogen bulbs ba siya? But for this one, it's already LED. So hindi mo na need mag-upgrade, which is good, no? Ang ganda. Ayan, this one and this one. And for the visor, let's check. Wala siyang vanity mirror for the driver's side. Let's check the passenger side. Ayan. Meron siya na vanity mirror for this one. Di ko alam na may plastic pa eh. So, ayan. There you go. For the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, usually, dapat nakakonect yung phone mo using a cable. But for this one, usually dun sa Toyota race na feature natin, nandito somewhere yung port ng USB. But for the Toyota Veloz, it's here on the side. So ayan, makikita nyo siya. So yan, the left one is a charging port cable, and on the right side is for the data cable para yan sa Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So that, ayan, dyan nyo siya i-insert. And you also need to make sure na kung gagamit kayo ng Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, yung cable nyo is original na data cable din. Kasi kung normal na charging cable lang, it will not work. So that's one thing you need to consider or you need to check. Naka-charge pa rin yung phone natin, so it fits perfectly fine for the Samsung S22 Ultra. So I think the other Android phones na may option for the wireless charging port, ayan, fit siya dito. So ayan, no, hindi siya maluwag, saktong-sakto. Ang ganda, ang galing ngayon. Let's go ahead and try to unlock. There you go, carbon media. And to center console din niya, ayan, we have it here. Ganda din. Ayan, no. So maluwag din siya eh. So you see here the cup holders. Saka yung panel niya two-tone na din siya eh. So it's black and it's kind of beige na color. The aircon vents are here. Ayan, modern looking. Also here in the center. Ayan, ganda. Let's go check out the rear seats of the Toyota Veloz. So ayan, maluwag naman din siya. Let's go check kung yung ano niya, leg room. Not bad. So I'm 5'10", sukat pa naman din ako, and you can still adjust the seats. So ayan, kahit rear seat siya, pwede mo siyang i-slide. May slider din siya. So ayan, ang ganda. And of course kasi ang Toyota Veloz 7-seater, so there's still an extra seats here at the back. Ayan. And here's the view. Kung dito ka sa passenger seat, here's the complete view ng driver or ng dashboard natin. Also, what I like here dito sa likod ng Toyota Veloz is the aircon vents here. So ayan, namukha na siyang pang airplane. Plus the switches are here. Yan, 3 levels, and also on the other side. So talagang hindi ka may initan dito ngayon talaga sa Toyota Veloz dahil ayan, no, may aircon din siya para sa likod. So there it is. And also at the back, the seat belts dyan hihilayan for dun sa mga uupo sa likod. Alright, let's go check out the trunk space of the new Toyota Veloz. So let's open it. Yan, let's open. There you go. So yan, ito yung trunk space niya. So ngayon, nakasetup kasi yung 7-seater option ng Toyota Veloz. But we just you need to pull this up. Yan, you can fold the chairs. Yan, more space na agad sa trunk. Diba? Big difference already. So the trunk light is here. Then there's also a finger that you can open. You can put in your tools. Nandyan dito na yung jack and other tools that you need to have or you're going to buy for your car, of course. So ito din yung button for the spare tire. Yan, iikot mo na siya dyan. Check out the exterior of the new Toyota Veloz and let's check out the headlights. Ayan, for the headlights, it's already an LED type headlights for the low beam and high beam. They also have this guide, line guide or DRL, and this is also a signal light, so iilaw din siya. And for the fog lights, standard halogen bulbs. And as you see for the bumpers naman, ang laki ng mesh grill niya. Meron din siyang flarings na maliit lang. So, yan o, added design for the kit. And it also uses the 17-inch wheels na two-tone. Yan, front disc brakes, and it also has rear disc brakes. Ang laki na din, oh. So ayan, oh. Let's check out here at the back. The LED tail lights. Then it also has a guide light here and a line guide all the way dun sa kabila. So yan, if you're going to check, there you go. And of course the Toyota emblems are here. The Toyota Veloz emblems are here as well. Shout out to Toyota BICUTAN for letting us review their cars or feature this car. Yeah, so the signal lights are here and the reverse are here. And the reflector for the bumpers. Then you can see the two-tone design for the rear diffuser in Toyota Veloz. The rear wiper. The third brake lights are here. And it uses a shark fin antenna as well. So meron na rin siyang roof rail for this one. So ready na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng roof rail. So pag bibili ka na ng crossbar, yan, dyan na lang siya. Yan, for the side mirrors, auto fold na din siya. And it also has LED signal lights. Let's check out the engine bay of the new Toyota Veloz. And for the engine, it's a 4-cylinder 2NR engine, 1.5. And guess who's here? It's Eric. Oh, Eric, ba't di ka naka-carbon media shirt ngayon?
Company worker tayo.
Hindi ka carbon media for today. Toyota ka ngayon.
Toyota. Priorities.
Yeah, so partner si Eric, working boy siya ngayon dito sa Toyota BICUTAN. So ako na muna ang carbon media for today. Oh, so, ikaw ang tech ngayon.
Okay. Ano kasi siya? Same family siya ng engine na Veloz.
Dito, for the 2NR, di ba?
Yes, for the 2NR. If I'm not mistaken, si Veloz is 2NR FE. This is VE series.
VE series.
From the
so,
same family.
What should be the little difference on that?
If I'm not mistaken, mas mataas ang torque output nito.
Torque output.
Most likely because of the bore or the stroke, mas mahaba. So, we will have to get more on that kasi yung tech specs pinag-aaralan natin.
Oh, kasi just today, the Toyota Veloz just launches today. And naimbitahan nga tayo ni Toyota BICUTAN. And thank you nga pala for inviting us. For the launching today.
Kasabay sa BGC na lang.
O, kasabay din with the TNP launch at BGC. With other, yung ibang friends natin nandun naman. At ako nandito ko ngayon sa BICUTAN. So, ayun, going back on the engine. Ayun, so 4-cylinder siya compared siya dun sa race na lumabas lately na 3-cylinder. So this one is a 4-cylinder. And take note guys, wala siyang engine undercover. Ayan, kita natin yung carpet. So na-explain naman natin before kung bakit naman walang engine undercover ang mga Toyota. Tama ba? Yan, na-explain na namin yan before. So you don't need to explain it now. But just to heads up, yan, wala siyang engine undercover ha. And the radiators are here. Radiator cap, the air intake, the batteries. Ano pa ba nga dito?
Reserve tank.
The reserve tank. So sa mga new car owners dyan, at least the basic stuff.
Walang power steering to.
Walang power steering. This car uses EPS. The oil cap. Yan, for the engine ha. Baka kung ano namang ilagay yung mga mga fluids dito. May specific tayo dyan. Ito yung wiper washer. Ayan, there it is. So yan yung mga nakikita nating question.
Yung iba kasi nagsasabi bakit daw walang engine cover.
Oo nga, but usually may engine cover. For this one, di na. Alright, so
pero lalabas na lang yan sa accessories.
Sa accessories na lang. So, there you go. So, usually kaya, binigay na ba yung specs for the horsepower output kaya nito?
Sa specs, most likely meron yan. Siyempre ngayon sa dealers pa lang siya. Most likely pagka...
Maybe on the test drive. Yan.
Most likely sa
malalaman na natin.
Kasi ito naman parehas lang naman yung powertrain niya sa standard na Advantage.
So most likely it should be on the 100 horsepower mark naman siguro.
Most likely, kasi 1.5 naman.
Oh, 1.5 na to.
Check sa 1.3.
105, 110, something like that kasi para kayanin niya yung body. Pero we need to double check just to be sure. But again, this car just launched today. So tignan natin kung ano pa yung mga info makukuha natin sa kanya. Isa rin nakakatuwa dito sa interior ng Toyota Veloz is meron siyang ilaw dito sa mood light dito sa console, no? Galing po. Napapalitan ba to?
I don't think so.
Yeah, pero it's in color blue.
Alphard yung napapalitan.
Sa Alphard. So ito yung
Tapos
push start
doors
button
here.
Hindi siya push start Push start lang siya ha. Just a reminder.
Meron din,
Sa door seals meron din.
Meron din.
Oh yeah, may ilaw din pala dito. So ayan, there you go. All 4 doors most likely.
Front lang.
Yan sa front. Yan. So for the Toyota Veloz din, meron siyang 360 camera here sa side mirror niya. Both sides, di ba Rick?
Yeah.
Yan.
Pero Veloz V variant, say 360.
Sa Veloz V variant. There you go.
Veloz G, paddle light lang.
Paddle light lang. Okay, this wraps up our today's episode and for the launch of the Toyota Veloz. Again, this is Mikey of Arbon Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Arbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey. Thanks for watching. Peace.